and welcome to Polish Greenpoint. This is a very special evening, and Sandy brought the Polish experience, I feel, to our event, from the food to the drinks to the desserts, and now time for a really special performance, but we want to thank our sponsors.
Yes.
Right here. Yes.
Well, I'm going to thank Belvedere first. Olaf from Belvedere. They're our developers. And Lucas here. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. It's amazing.
Thank you. Okay, so Magda, she's one of our sponsors. You just want to say a little something?
Hi everyone, my name is Magda Sokolowska. I'm an insurance specialist here in Greenpoint. I actually live in Greenpoint, so if you have any questions about the neighborhood, let me know. And yeah.
Thank you. Salim?
Well, this is Studio Overall. Carrie and I, we design amazing places, and congratulations for Belvedere for putting this together. Studio Overall Architects. Thank you.
Anthony?
Yes, thanks for everyone coming tonight. Anthony Hooks, Home Lending Advisor with Chase. I know a few people here tonight. Be brief, really just a lot of stuff. I know the market's going, it's picking up, and I've talked to a lot of people tonight, and they've seen in many different directions, and their lines of business are picking up. So feel free to reach out to me and see how I can help with their lending needs.
Thank you. And then finally, Jose.
Hey, good evening, everyone. This is an amazing event. So many wonderful people here. My name is Jose Abreu from Moving Cleaning Services. We provide exceptional cleaning service in the New York City area for residential and commercial properties. We clean a lot of clients' homes. We provide them with weekly, bi-weekly, monthly cleaning. We work with a lot of real estate agents, property managers, brokers, and realtors for move-in and move-out cleaning. We work with a lot of general contractors and architects for post-construction cleaning. And we're on track to hit over 100 Google reviews by January 2025. If anyone knows anyone that has cancer, we clean their homes for free. We give them 2 cleanings in a month. Their immune system is very low, so we give them the cleaning we like to give back to the community. If anyone knows anyone that needs cleaning in the New York City area, reach out to Lumen Cleaning Services. We clean and you relax.
Thank you. Thank you to our sponsors, Sarah and I love you guys. Thank you for your support. And I want to thank Alba. Thank you, Alba, for helping so much. Our assistant and DJ, Dave the Blade. And now